Today we have the 2022 Cupra Formentor. This vehicle has done 55,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as driver assist. On the right, we have voice control and automatic headlights. On our screen, we can access navigation, radio, smartphone integration, our driver profile, air conditioning and tutorial. If we press here, we can access our climate control. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.